Hello students, welcome back to your MOV class. Take out the page number 79. See that some men there are love not a gaping pig, some that are mad if they behold a cat, and others when the bagpipe sings high their nose cannot contain for affection, mistress of patience, face it to the mood of what it likes. Our lot is now for your answer. As there is no firm reason to be rendered, why ye cannot abide a gaping pig, why a harmless nursery cat, why he a woolen bagpipe, but of course must yield to such inevitable shame as to offend himself being offended. So what it has been told now? Shylock is telling some men they are love not, means they will not love, they will hate gaping pig. What is the meaning of gaping pig? Means mouth opened pig. Okay. Some are mad about even they will see a cat also. And others they cannot control themselves, they cannot control themselves even they listen the bagpipe songs. Okay. Shrill noise. So these all are the common things which are happening that also depend upon the personal feelings and personal emotions. They will show the dislike or like towards these things. So there is no firm reason to be rendered. So there is no firm reason should be given to your answer to your question. Why some may like or may not like gaping pig, or may like the cat, or may be mad about the woolen bagpipe. But of course, what is that? If somebody has offended, then they want to offend others. Isn't it, children? If somebody has offended, definitely they want to offend others. So, in the same way, I have no reason to give for taking a pound of flesh from Antonio's body. So, I'll continue this unprofitable maybe case. What is saying now, you see? So, can I give no reason, nor I will not, more than I lodged heat and a certain loathing, I bear Antonio that I follow this alleging suit against him. Are you answered? So, what he is telling now? He is telling that there is no reason, I have no reason to give for taking what? To taking a pound of flesh from Antonio, because I have a deep rooted hatred. I have a lot of hatredness towards whom? Towards Antonio. So, I'll continue this unprofitable case. I won't get any profit. You know very well. A pound of flesh will not give any profit for me. Still, I'll continue to take this unprofitable case against him. Now, do you have answer? Who is telling that? Now, Shylock is telling to Duke. Okay. Now, Bassanio came in between and telling, Bassanio, this is no answer, thou unfeeling man, to excuse the current of thy cruelty. This is not a satisfactory answer. Who is telling? Bassanio is telling, you are a heartless man on account of your merciless action. You are merciless person, unfeeling man, merciless, you are cruel. Bassanio is telling to Shylock, I am not bound to please thee with my answer. Then Shylock is becoming angry and telling, I am not obliged to give you a satisfactory answer to order to make you happy. I won't please you. Who is telling? Shylock is telling to whom? To Bassanio. Bassanio, do all men kill the things they do not have? Sorry, they do not love? Then again, Bassanio is asking, do all men kill if they won't love anything? If they won't love, mean they will kill or what? Shylock, I am not. Hates any man the thing he would not kill? Then again, Shylock is telling that, is there any man who does not kill something that they truly hates? If they will hate means they will not kill or what? Shylock is asking. Then Bassanio, every offense is not a hate at first. Bassanio is telling, every fault, every offense, fault is not hated from the beginning, no? From the very beginning, we should not hate all the faults. Shylock, what? Would thou have a serpent sting thee twice? Then Shylock is becoming so angry and asking, what? Will you give a chance to a snake to sting twice? Would you allow a snake to sting you twice? Who is asking? Shylock. Then Antonio. I pray you, think you question with the Jew. You may as well go stand upon the beach. Then what is telling now? Antonio is praying that requesting now. Remember, Bassanio, to whom are you talking? You are praying and requesting to whom? The Shylock. You remember that. And bid the main flood bait is usualite. You may as well use question with the wolf with why he hath made the ewe bleat for the lamb. You may as well forbid the mountain pines to wag their high tops and to make no noise when they are threatened with gusts of heaven. You may as well do anything most hard as seek to soften that which what's harder. Then if what is that so many questions he is keeping in front of whom? Bassanio and telling that how much cruel he is. Who? Shylock. If you'll ask something what is impossible, we cannot make it possible. You might have gone to your beach and seen, but that high tides will come in Gopalpur beach. You might have observed, I think so. Will you go and say, you stop the tide, means will it stop? Never. So that way only, he won't listen. Bid the main flood bait is usual height. You will go to the sea beach and tell that flood bait height of yours, you stop. Will they stop? No, not at all. Isn't it? And you will stand on the beach and you will tell, ask the ocean tide not to rise. Height means what? Not to rise. Will they listen? No. Again you will go question to the wolf and you will tell that why he made the mother sheep mourn for the lamb be devoured. Wolf will that again that a lamb will be devoured, killed. And you will ask the question, why are you mourning? Then again saying, you might will go to the mountains and tell that pine trees are so tall, you know very well. You don't sway, means will not this sway. High tops will sway only, wag they will wag only. Pine to wag their high tops. That you might as well do the most difficult thing in the world rather than attempt a thing still harder to soften the heart of the Jew. Such a way you cannot give so many examples like to make the soften to whom? The harder. Who is the harder? Now the Jew. Okay. His heart is very hard. His Jewish heart, therefore I do beseech you, make no more offers. Use no further means, but with all brief and plain convenience, let me have judgment and the Jew is will. So what he is telling now? You cannot make him soften. His heart is Jew's heart. Okay, Jewish heart. So therefore I beseech you, I request you, don't make offers. Don't go and ask don't request him. Use no further means. If I request also, there is no means. There is no meaning. Then again, what he is telling that? Let me have the judgment, whatever he has taken the opinion. Okay. Let me the Jew have his will. Whatever he wishes. Let him do. I'll accept. Who is telling this? Antonio is telling to Bassanio. For thy 3,000 ducats, here is 6. Bassanio is telling, for your 3,000 ducats, we are ready to give 6,000 ducats. Shylock. If every ducat and 6,000 ducats were in 6 parts and every part a ducat, I would not draw them. I would have my bond. Shylock is telling, if each of the 6,000 ducats were divided into 6, and each part was a ducat, yet I would not accept them. I would have only won my bond. Who is telling? Shylock. Then Duke. How shall thou hope for mercy, rendering none? Then Duke is telling, if you show no mercy to others, how can you hope for God's mercy? Isn't it? If you are showing mercy towards others, then God will help you. How shall you hope for mercy? Means how can you hope mercy for God? Rendering none if you are not showing anybody the mercy. Shylock. What judgment shall I dread doing no wrong? You have among you many a purchased slave. which, like your asses and your dogs and mules, you use an object in slavish parts because you bought them. Shall I say to you, let them be free, marry them to your ease? Then Shylock is telling, what judgment do I fear? Why? Because I have not done any wrong. He is telling whatever he is doing, he has done, he is correct. Okay. What judgment do I fear? If I had given the judgment, why shall I fear? When I have done no wrong, you keep many slaves whom you have already purchased. Okay. Slaves means all of you know. We are buying that. So, you are keeping so many slaves and whatever you bought, like your asses, dogs and mules. You use them in mean servile tasks, whatever you want for them to do the works, they will do only because you already purchased them to whom? Asses, dogs and mules. So just because you have bought them, shall I say you to give them freedom and allow them to marry your children? Heirs means what children? Your children. I'll tell. Already you had purchased those things, means already you made them slaves and now you give them the freedom, and can they marry to your children? Will you accept? Why sweat they under burdens? Again, what he is telling now, give them freedom and they let their beds as be soft. Why they have they to sweat by carrying heavy loads? Isn't it? Why sweat they under burdens? Because already you purchase means you give them freedom. Why you are making them to sweating? Isn't it? Why they have to make them sweat? So, let their beds be made as soft as yours and let their palates be seasoned with such wines. You will answer, the slaves are ours, so do I answer you. So, what is that he is telling? When I will ask this type of questions, what you will tell? Now you make their beds as soft as your beds and be treated with the same food as your own. In this context, what will you say? The slaves are ours. Isn't it? Will you say or not? The slaves are ours. I bought these slaves. Why to you? Will you say or not? So, the pound of flesh which I demand of him, the pound of flesh which I demand of him is dearly bought. It's mine and I'll have it. If you deny me, fie upon your law. There is no force in the decrees of Venice. I stand for judgment. Answer. Shall I have it? So he is at last telling. So the pound of flesh which I demand from Antonio has been bought by me at a high price because bond has been made that time. Isn't it? For 3,000 ducats he had been written the sign and did the signature in the bond. So he is telling, it is the high cost I had paid for this. It is mine and I will have it. If you deny me, what is lawful? You should be ashamed of the legal system of your city. There is no legal authority in Venice to deny this to me. I demand the judgment now. Answer me whether I shall have it or not. Who is telling this? Who is asking these questions? Shylock. Okay. Thank you, students.